In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini in Google Slides. First things first, we need to get ourselves over to Google Slides. To do that, fire up your web browser and type in Google Slides or navigate directly to the Google Slides homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. It's super important to ensure you're signed in because Gemini needs access to your account to function properly. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is your central hub for all things presentation related. Here, you'll see options to create a new presentation from scratch or sift through pre-designed templates. If you're up for a blank canvas, click the blank presentation button. But if you enjoy a bit of inspiration, feel free to select a template that catches your eye. Either way, once you've made your choice, you're ready to dive into designing your presentation. Now that you've got your new presentation all set up, keep an eye out for the Gemini icon. It should be located in the toolbar, most likely near the top of your screen. This is the magical button that brings all the AI-powered capabilities of Gemini to your slide deck. Click on that icon, and you'll be greeted with some exciting options. This is where Gemini steps in to enhance your creativity and productivity with a suite of AI-assisted tools and features. Once you see the prompt, don't hesitate to hit "Try it out." This is your ticket to explore and experiment with everything Gemini has to offer. Whether it's suggesting slide layouts, tweaking your design, or even brainstorming content ideas, Gemini is here to assist. Feel free to explore its capabilities, from design enhancements to productivity boosters and everything in between. Remember, the more you interact with Gemini, the more you'll uncover how it can streamline your workflow and spark your creativity, whether you're preparing a detailed report or a dazzling pitch deck. This tool can really become your secret weapon for a polished and professional presentation. And if you find yourself needing a bit more guidance, don't hesitate to explore resources and tutorials provided by Google. They can offer additional insights and tips on how to make the most out of Gemini. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy discovering the potential these AI features have to revolutionize